Welcome back to Accurate One. In this session, we're going to talk about variables. Assume variables are buckets or containers that you can store data inside them. So, in Python programming language, we define variables by writing their names first, like variable 1 or more simple, a. Then you can write equal for assignment. Okay, on the right side of the equal, you must write the data you need to be stored, like a number, 23, or a text, like hello world. So why do we need variables in Python? We can use them to move data, increase numbers, or change them, or calculate a solution. All right, so let's print this variable. First, we write print, then a. Okay, so like the last session, we can move our cursor to the run button, or in the terminal, we can write python hello.py. It means that the Python interpreter run the hello.py file. If I press enter, it will run the hello.py file. Here we go. So you can see the data stored in a variable here. If I change the value like to 23 and run the code again by writing python hello.py here and press enter, my output would change. Now let's get back here. Let's define another variable like b. B equals to 32. All right, and I want to calculate a at b. All right, so here I can write a plus sign and b. Okay, we go back to the terminal and we write python hello.py and press enter. You can see the result here. We will talk about arithmetic operations in the next sessions, but here now you know what is a variable. See you then.